All right, now we're going to go from moles of krypton to particles of krypton, which happen to be atoms of krypton. And so I'm going to do 7.05 moles of krypton times, and I'm going to use Avogadro's number, the number that's in 1 mole of anything that we talked about at the beginning of the slideshow. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And the particles that we're going to use are atoms because krypton is individual atoms in 1 mole. You'll notice that when I am using these conversion factors, I remind myself that I put what I'm starting with over a 1 to remind myself I'm multiplying by fractions, not cross multiplying, regular multiplying, because I can see that moles in the numerator cancel out moles in the denominator. So that's going to leave me with 0.705 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And my answer is going to be in atoms. I mentioned on the previous video about significant figures. You don't know what those are yet, so you don't have to worry about them. 0.705 times. I always put my scientific notation in parentheses, so I make sure my calculator is doing order of operations. And cell phone calculators still don't do a good job of that. So I always put in parentheses, so parentheses 6.02 times 10 caret 23rd, end parenthesis. There is an E on the end of this. When I typed it into my calculator, this is what came up. Hopefully, when you were in Sabatka's class, you learned what E means. It means times 10 to that power. And I'm going to just go 2 places behind the decimal, 4.24 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of krypton. And that's how to go from volume of a gas to moles of a gas to the number of particles or atoms of a gas.